Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the Canadian Futures Trader and I wanted to do an update for day 5 with OneUp Trader. So if this is your first video you're watching of mine, I'm currently doing the Topstep Trader Combine for 150K and I'm doing the OneUp Trader evaluation for 100K. Very quickly, the parameters are you start with 100K, your goal is to make $6,000 and trade a minimum of 15 days and up to 12 contracts. So you see it right here on the screen. Today is day 5, another profitable day, 500 in profit. I'll show you those trades in a second. So that puts my balance at 101,992. Let's round it. 102,000. It's funny, I'm actually exactly on pace to finish at 15 days and $6,000. I'm a third of the way. Balance wise, I made 2,000 of the 6,000 and I'm also 5 of the 15 days. So just want to show that. I just want to point out too, the reason I don't show my dashboard for either Topstep or OneUp is because they don't update it till later on. Topstep does it after the market closes. Sometimes it's even an hour after that. OneUp, it seems they do it overnight. So I'm already kind of moved on to the next trading day before my dashboard is even updated for the previous day. So that's why I just show you here. This is rhythmic, what the balance is. And what I will do at the very end of the week is I will hold off making those videos. So there's no trading on Friday. So this Thursday after the market closes, I'll just wait until after my dashboards are updated. So those videos will come out probably Christmas Day, but I will put my actual dashboards from OneUp and from Topstep just so you can see them, the numbers a different way. We can also look at the graph and whatnot. So moving on, I'll show you 2 other things. So really quickly, this was something I made a video this past weekend about it, what my plan was. So my OneUp Trader evaluation, I've updated this. I've got 5 days done, 10 more to go. 4,000 remaining and we've made $2,000. So my goal originally was to get to 2,500 by the 24th. So I still have 2 days left this week. So I'm pretty confident in that. Only 500 more to go to get to this goal. And if I exceed it, great. If not, no problem. I'm really happy with how things are going. Okay, so here's the 4 trades that I made. Again, this is TraderView. It's software that I use. It's $30 a month. I can import all my trade data from both my OneUp and Topstep and any other accounts and do some analysis. So that's why I really like this. But for showing you the trades, that's kind of the purpose here. So as you can see, here's my 500 profit. It was actually 4 trades and each trade was exactly 125 in profit. What can I say? So even though I'm allowed to trade up to 12 contracts, I definitely would prefer not to, and I didn't today. I only traded 4. So when you see volume 8, that means both the buy and the sell. I can actually show you one of these trades here. I'll just click on this one. So here you go. You can make a little note, which I do. It says contracts traded 8, but really you see here, it's quantity 4. I bought at 12:03, and this is Eastern time. I'm on the West Coast, but it shows it in Eastern time, and then 12 minutes later, I sold those for a 1-tick win. You can see the graph here. So basically, I can tell you exactly what happened on this trade. So the little green, I'm going to zoom in here. The green diamond is where I bought. The red diamond is where I sold. Slightly higher, it was the 1-tick. Basically, it kind of stalled here, and I was really expecting it to turn around, and it did. I just kind of jumped the gun, obviously, and got out a little bit early. This was my 4th trade of the day. And I kind of had it in my head. I was like, if I get to 500, I'm going to call it quits. If you watched my Topstep video last night, I had a profit as well. But I traded last night from market open until about 9 p.m. So the market opens at 3 p.m. my time. So from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m., I did a lot of trading last night just to get the profit on Topstep. Now, I did fairly well. I made about, I want to say $700 last night, but that took 6 hours. So it's a little bit draining. So today I really wasn't in the mood to do a lot of trading. So when I was able to get, these 1-tick winners, 4 in a row, I said, you know what? It took me about an hour to do that or so, maybe an hour and a half. I said, I'm done for the day. So I shut down. So this was my final trade. So once it went up a tick, it looks like it went up 2 here and then kind of came down, went up again. I was watching volume flow, etc. It obviously did then tick back down. It looks like it ticked below where I entered. So the volume was probably building up on the sell side. I said, you know what? I'm just taking the 1-tick winner and I am out of this. So that is basically what I did. I legitimately scalped for 1 tick. So I'm trading 4 contracts. So every tick per contract in the Ultra Bond, which this is right here, is $31.25. So since I was trading 4, it is exactly $125, per tick, win or lose. So these were all legitimately one tick movement, and I was happy to take this. It's a hard way to make $500 for sure doing one tick scalps. That's part of why I stopped too. I just wasn't getting the big movements that I was kind of hoping for. So I was just taking one tick winners, and you know what? After 4 of those, I said, you know, my luck's gonna run out here eventually. I'm gonna take a loss, and it's probably gonna be more than one tick. I'm probably gonna get a 2 or 3 tick loser and wipe all this out. So let's call it quits. So that's my methodology, guys. That is where I'm at. I hope you enjoy these videos. Look for, I know these are a little bit boring and you don't see actual trades and whatnot. I don't really record my trades because I actually have tried, but it slows my machine down to the point where it's not unbearable, but it's definitely, there's a noticeable lag, and I don't really want to get screwed on a trade for the sake of making a video of me trading. How about that? So I'm going to leave it at that, guys. Have a great day, and I'll be back tomorrow with let's see, that'll be day 6 of OneUp, and then I'll also have day 5 of Topstep in the next day.